This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use bulk supplements. Many people find bulk supplements to be a smart and economical choice for their nutritional needs. They allow you to buy larger quantities of your favorite ingredients, often at a significantly lower price per serving. This method also gives you the freedom to precisely tailor your intake, ensuring you get exactly what your body requires without unnecessary fillers or additives. It's a straightforward approach to personalized wellness. Accurate measurement is key when working with bulk powders. For very small amounts, a digital milligram scale is absolutely essential, providing precision down to 1/1000th of a gram. For larger doses, a set of dedicated measuring spoons, such as a 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon, can be very helpful. Remember to always use clean, separate tools for each supplement to avoid any mixing or contamination, ensuring purity and effectiveness. Proper handling and storage are crucial for maintaining the quality and potency of your bulk supplements. Always transfer powders into airtight containers, such as glass jars, immediately after opening. Store these containers in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat, which can degrade active compounds. Promptly resealing packages after each use minimizes exposure to air and moisture, helping to preserve freshness and extend shelf life for many months. When starting with a new bulk supplement, it's always wise to begin with a small dose, perhaps 1/2 or 1/4 of the recommended amount, and gradually increase it over several days as your body adjusts. For optimal absorption and taste, thoroughly mix your measured powder into a liquid like water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. Remember, individual needs vary, so consulting a healthcare professional for personalized dosage advice is always a smart step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.